doing? Oh my god!
Just do it!
Ooh. So, this was going to be a fun video. I was gonna do the yoga challenge. Just gonna stand there and watch me burn with my dog.
Oh, I'm about to die.
But now, I don't really think that's gonna happen anymore because he peed on the floor.
Hello, darkness, my old friend.
I have to teach him not to do that again, so I have to put him in the cage. But I love him. But I also don't want to get peed on, so I'm gonna do it by myself. Let's start this video over again, but this time without my dog. Who's at the? What the flip? What? My neighbor Tyler is here. You know, he said he was gonna come over like an hour ago. Okay, now all of my plants are changed.
Literally, what is my hand doing? Like, that does not happen naturally.
We figured it out. I'm gonna do the yoga challenge with my dog. Let's do it! Woo! Go fetch.
No idea what this part is, but I thought it was kind of quirky. Ew. So I decided to keep it in for you guys. Like, that are literally just my friends from school and no one else, but okay, bye.
Time to enjoy a snack.
Oh shit!
I need to cool it with the junk. Hopefully this makes me skinnier. What the heck? This better make me look like Kendall Jenner. What in the world? If this doesn't do it, I don't know what will. Stop! In order to enter beast mode, you must become a beast. I
got the magic in me.
Wow, look at those muscles. Bam!
Yeah! Time to do yoga with my dog.
Boots and pants, boots and pants! We should do that one.
Okay.
I turned the camera off when I thought I was turning it on. So one yoga pose is not there. Friends, I apologize deeply, sincerely.
Don't do it on your elbows.
Just go. Look at the camera.
Another mistake. I can't find the picture that we used to do it, so that is this. We're
gonna need some puppy ice cream.
Okay.
Hot.
Don't hurt me. Oh god. Look at the. You just cracked my back.
Are you actually gonna hold me?
Go. Jump. Just jump.
Yeah. Alright. Okay, so we were just trying to get a thumbnail for this video. And if you watch Tyler's face, like, evolve, it is one of the scariest things ever. Like, it's just really weird.
Stop. Put this back out on the left. Bye.
Bye.
Bye-bye. Bye. It was a boy. Goodbye.